Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In a previous video, I've shown you how to create a multi-event timeline or how to add events to a timeline to make it a multi-event timeline. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how to schedule that multi-event timeline. So to start, of course, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you're logged in, and since we have already created the multi-event timeline, all you have to do is click on Schedule Event from here, and then let's select the multi-event timeline that we created. So it is using a stream. And I want to schedule it on the 26th. The main event will be scheduled on the 26th. And since we created two more events after that, the next ones should be created on the 27th and then on the 28th. I want to schedule the main event on the 26th at 6 p.m. And since the other two events will be scheduled on the same time as well, we should be able to see them at 6 p.m. the 27th, the third event at 6 p.m. on the 28th. So just click on schedule event, and it says here we have successfully scheduled it. So when we go back to the dashboard, as you can see here, all three events that we have on the timeline has been scheduled. So we have 6 p.m. on the 26th, 6 p.m. on the 27th. This is the second day event. This is the main event. And the third day event will be scheduled on the 28th at 6 p.m. as well. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.